salesmen are not like properly distributed, if your HR is not recruiting properly, so it means your business is going down. So the manager needs to know the performance of his organization. Dashboard provides visual displays of important information that is consolidated and arranged on a single screen. Okay, so nowadays they don't want to see different reports X, Y, Z. They don't want to see the separate reports from HR. They don't want to see the separate reports from the sales, okay, and marketing. They need a single display where they can see all the information in the consolidated forms in a well managed form over there, so that information can be digested at a single glance and easily drilled in and further explored. I just give you a very good example. For example, let's suppose if there was no SIS, okay, so how would you know about your results of different courses? If let's suppose if you have 5 courses, okay, and there was no SIS, so what would be your method to find your marks in a exam?
Maybe I have to go for each course to check my mark.
Yeah, so you have to go to the each teacher and ask what is my mark. So that, see, so it is like, time consuming and also like difficult. Okay, so now SIS is a dashboard for you. You don't need to go to every professor to check your marks. You can easily, with a single click, you can know what is your marks, what is your grade in each subjects over there. Similarly for managers, now he doesn't need to consult to every manager of HR and sales and this one. He just need a single click, and with a single click he can know what is my revenue, what is my cost, what is my HR needs, what are the sales need over there, how many customer I need to need more for the growth of my business over there. So all the targets he can easily, with a single click, he can easily see over there. Okay, so before there was no dashboard, so it was very difficult. He has to take reports from different departments, from different reports from HR department, different report from sales department. Now with the dashboard, all things are like merged over there. Okay, and supply chain management is also like emerged into the dashboard over there. Now see here, it's this is one of the dashboard. Can anyone tell me what kind of dashboard is this and what kind of information it gives to us? Yes, can anyone tell me what is the?
I think it gives information about the products they sell, because there's the expenses, the revenue, the margin.
Exactly, yeah. So this is a margin, how much margin I have, how much expenses I have, and how much revenues I have. Okay,
And where it's distributed.
yeah, yes, please. And expense per month. Okay, see, it is just like in a meter. You see on the car meter, like car meter tells you where are you now. See, monthly expenses, green, this yellow, okay, different one. Okay. So all this information it can easily be seen with the with this thing. So this is also a very good example of the dashboards over there. Okay. Okay. So dashboard design. Okay, if you want to design, what should be the your things that, for example, when are you designing a dashboard for your company, what consideration you should keep in mind over there. So the fundamental challenges of dashboard design is to display all the required information. So if your dashboard is missing some of the requirements, okay, on a single screen, okay, so this is called display all information on a single screen. These two are important words over there. Okay, so all information, required one. Okay, not all required information in a single screen, and clearly it should be very clear. Okay, without distraction. You must not be the user must not be distracted. He must not be lost. What I'm doing, what should I do, what should I not do? Okay, in a manner that can be easily assimilated quickly. Okay, so there are 3 layers of information in dashboard usually. One is called monitoring. Okay, what to monitor. Okay, another is called analysis. Okay, what are the different analysis I have it, and third is called management. Okay, so 3 important things. Okay, so monitoring information, analyzing the information, and management the activities over there. Okay. I will re-show you the live example, okay, the one of the dashboard, so that you can have a quick view of it. This is another, it is a very good case study. This is about STC. You know about STC? I think everyone knows about it. Okay, so Saudi telecom company, Saudi. So this book has picked one of the good example from Saudi telecom company, Excel with information visualization. Okay, so they also use visualization. Why do you think telecommunication companies are among the prime user of information visualization? This is a very good case study. I would like that you just go for this case study. How did Saudi Telecom use information visualization over there? What were their challenges? Okay, and the proposed solution and obtain results. So this is very relevant and to the point case studies for you, because you already know about STC. Okay, so it will help you to give you more concept clearing. So this is the dashboard of what? This is of the dashboard of Dundas data visualizations. Okay, and you can see what are on different months, what are the different my consumptions over there. Okay, different calls, what are the different calls, what are the different rates I have it for my customers. These are the different rates. Okay, sometimes rates are high, sometimes are changing over there. What are the different calls, what are the different tariffs we have it. You know about the tariffs, it's a business word, tariffs. Okay, calls per minute, how many calls, total calls today, how many calls I did it. Okay, abundant date over there, transfer rate. So all the informations in just one screen, you have it. Okay, so this is very helpful for the even the employees in STC. And they are also using the Tableau over there. There is a person, Khalid, I think his name is also mentioned in the book. I think Khalid, or I think, yeah, his name is mentioned. So if you read this case study, so you will feel much more acquaintance with that one, because it's linked with your country. Dashboard performance, the dashboard, what to look for a dashboard. So in the dashboard, what should you look for? Use of visual components to highlight data, and exception that require action. So there should be less errors and high data visualization. Transparent to the user, meaning that the users should know about it, that everything should be clear, meaning that they require minimal training. So it should not be complex that your employees needs more training. It should be very easier, extremely easy to use. Okay, combine data from variety system into a single summarized unified views of the business. Enable drill down, drill through to underlying data source and reports over it. So what do you know about the drill down and drill through? Drill down means to have some more details about it. So drill through means some less or like, drill up means some like less detail about it. It should be like present dynamic, a real world view with the timely data, and require little coding. So little coding should be required to implement, deploy, and maintain the dashboard over there. So dashboard is a new concept. It's like it helps you to change things with your liking.